Yo, what's good guys? It's today, I don't know what, it's been a while. I've just been busy with other stuff. I'm gonna be doing the bumper cut today on the rear. The reason I'm doing a rear bumper cut is because I want to see the bash bar in the rear. Also, I want to use the rear bash bar as a jack point. So yeah, I mean, it'll be more accessible with the rear bumper cut. Alright guys, here's the new bumper. The purpose of the bumper cut is to alleviate air from being trapped in the bumper. This bumper, since it curves like this, it kind of acts like a parachute and it kind of slows the car down. Not saying this car is really that fast, but I guess anything helps. Alright guys, so what I plan on doing is putting tape on this part right here, kind of where I want to cut it in between, and I'm going to use this body line on the bumper and I'm going to measure it down however far looks good to me, and I'll do it from multiple points, and hopefully that'll give me an idea of how much to cut, and you know, hopefully it'll be as straight as possible. So I don't think I want to go so aggressive just yet with the bumper cut, because I do want to, kind of like Jim Jim has it, or the car Passion. It's not so aggressive, but you can still see, you know, that it's cut and it won't parachute. So I think that's the look I'm going to go for now. Now we just got to make the measurements and kind of make it symmetrical on both sides. Now for the part I was scared about is matching this side where there's no hole for the exhaust to the other side where there was already a hole for the exhaust. Yeah, it's just hard because I don't know how deep or where to measure it at. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Alright, so I think I figured it out. I saw this in Car Passion's channel, his video when he did this. I kind of understand now. He lines it up with this side, cuts it, and then flips it on that side. So I'm going to take this down, work it out, see how it lines up on this side, and then try and replicate it through this template on the other side. What's up guys, sorry about that. Camera died and then I didn't notice till later, so got a fresh new battery in there, and now we'll just be cutting that line. How I came up with that template is I lined it up with the other side. I took a big piece of paper and basically I kept trimming it down. It wasn't that easy, to be honest, at least not at my skill level, but I trimmed it down and kind of mirrored it on the other side. I don't think it's that accurate, to be very honest. The fucking hot plastic got on my hand. Basically, I was cutting it and a bunch of shit was flying all over, so decided to grab a mask, but then my eyes were exposed, so then I found this. do need to file this down, sand it down, get it smoother. Maybe even it out in some places. So it's on and it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. I am really honestly happy with this. This is just what I wanted. It's perfect. It just swoops up just enough. You can see the little dash bar. Loving it, guys. I can't wait to paint it white so it just pokes out a little. But I'm really happy, man. It looks really good. Let's get a side view. It's looking real nice. Looking really nice. I'm happy, man. I'm satisfied with it. 100%. Looks good. Yeah, drop a comment down below, guys. What do you think? What do you think of the bumper cut?
Honestly, I fuck with it.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, I kind of.
It's like a subtle and like nice touch.